Right now we're filming somewhere down on this campus, protesting birds. These birds have been at it for days, squawking and clocking, telling their distributions and disparations. Just look at that bird. He looks very upset. He's a quacker squawker. Yeah. Birds demand equal rights. And we'll interview one of these birds momentarily. Here we have protesting birds. These birds protesting against insanity and madness. They want lower prices for bird food. These birds definitively are at a standstill. And they shall never squawk or quack again until their demands are heard. These are the indignant birds of Imperial Polk County. And we must leave because the birds, they're mad as hell and they're not going to take it anymore until they've been fed fish. The indignant birds of Imperial Polk County, the beautiful Patrice and Dante. Goodbye, birds. Squawk on with your bad selves. Squawk on.